Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ACappella. 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 ACappella is an Italian term used in music to describe vocal music or singing that is performed without instrumental accompaniment. It involves singers using their voices to create music, harmonies, and melodies. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the choir performed the hymn Amazing Grace a cappella, showcasing their exceptional vocal talents. Why ACappella is used in example number 1. ACappella is used to describe the manner in which the choir performed the hymn, emphasizing that they sang it without any instrumental backing. Example number 2, during the competition, the soloist chose to sing a cappella, demonstrating their confidence and vocal prowess. Why ACappella is used in example number 2. This example uses a cappella to indicate that the soloist performed without instrumental support, emphasizing their skill and self-assured performance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.